I'm so cute and cuddly. Yeah, no, that's like cute too. You're also cute and cuddly with a big tummy. The big box. The one that
Funny, you're in the camera. So today guys, what I'm gonna do is I will put shelves that we bought from yesterday. And by the way, today is April 14. But this one, I guess this video will be uploaded June, July, maybe. Because I still have a lot of videos that needs to be uploaded before this. And we will gonna put six shelves that we bought, or 5. So we have a very big space up there, done here. This is done. So maybe I'll put you on that side so you can see how I put this stuffs. I hope you can see it, guys. We have bought the curtain yesterday, so we were gonna put it on because it is so light and we can't be able to see the TV. And we're just gonna put the rod, curtain rod, up there. And we have that color. This is like a little green, right? Gray? Green gray. So in our house, guys, we have a gray color, green, light blue, we have black,
white.
We have white, we have wood color, we have brown. But maybe we will have pink, light pink, or we have, what was that, my love? Dark pink. And maybe we will have what was that? What is it? Mustard color. Do you like mustard, my love? You like mustard color? We will try, because before in our old apartment we just have white, black, and gray, and it was so boring color. So now we will have farigirik, or colorful house, or home, not house. And today, guys, there's someone that is cleaning there. Oh, they're not here anymore. But they was from the outside. They were cleaning. So it was. What you're gonna use? The long one or the short one?
The short one, because we're having just one.
The short one.
Right there, right?
Yeah. Yes, yo. Is that easy to drill?
I don't know, it's like there.
Yeah.
Good. I don't know where to just. What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119 My love, can you hold? Anne.
You come to that.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay.
It's up! Yay!
It's not on.
Yo!
It's not gone.
It's almost. This looks nice, my love. With the curtains. Oh. This one here is for the bedroom. There in the master's bedroom. So we're gonna put this one. I hope the color of this will fit to the wall. Because we have the blue, like dark blue color. I hope so. Fingers crossed. Done. So this one will be at the bedroom. So we have this color there. That is blue, dark blue. But it looks light blue in the camera, but it's really blue, dark blue. Oh, we still need to find the lamp there. Maybe on Monday. We will see if I'm working late or I'm working in the morning. No, Monday. Yeah, Monday is open. Monday is open. So we need to buy something up there. And so everything will a little bit done, a little bit complete here. My love, can we flip that window? Can we flip that window? Flip?
Yeah. You can flip the window. You don't know that?
No. I thought it was not the same with the other windows we have.
Yeah.
Hi!
Hi.
Oh, so good. Say hi.
Hi. But it's too small.
Yeah.
No, it's too...
Yeah,
so
put
you can
this
see
in.
the window. It's so weird.
Yeah, put like that in.
Oh, there's good. That sounds good. But we need to... So long now. I think it's good.
You think it's good, guys? Purple. Yeah, it's supposed to be like bigger rod.
You want the bigger rod now?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looks so thin.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice one. The bigger rod will look so fat, yeah.
Nah.
You know?
So, and the next thing we were gonna put on the the curtains in the walk-in closet. So we have this dark. I'm not so sure what is it because it's a little bit green and a little bit gray. So yeah, my love, I guess I need to iron it. Do you know where's the iron?
No.
Where? Nah. I don't know. And the horse.
The horse?
Yeah. The horse? We have a horse. So we're here now at the walk-in closet. Oh, there's no lights here?
No.
No.
Hold on.
It's so nice.
Where do you want it?
Little bit.
Out over that one? One out, maybe?
Yeah, one. That's it, guys. Up now. Oh, it looks so nice now. Oh my god. What? Looks so nice now. What is it? Yes. Yeah.
Start the rides now.
Yes, sir. You're so angry.
I'm so cute and cuddly. Yeah, I thought that's like you too. You're so cute and cuddly. The big tummy. The big butt. You're the one.
Honey, you're the camera. Gosh.
We're going to make a porn now. Why is it trying to record a porn here? Jag vill.
Guys, ito pala yung na-drawing, na-print na ano. Yan pala yun. Ito pala siya, guys. Yung sa may hall ko, ito pala siya. Tingnan nyo.